In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create catchy and professional taglines using a free, AI-powered tool. If you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to level up your brand, this one's for you. First, head over to your browser and search for Tagline Generator. From the search results, click on the website called Tagline Generator-JetVoila AI. Don't worry, have also added the direct link in the description box below for easy access. Once you're on the site, you'll land on the page where you can type in your brand details. If you don't have an account, just sign up quickly using your Google or email account. After logging in, you'll see a large text box. This is where the magic happens. Enter your brand name and some relevant keywords. For example, I'm typing in my brand name Tutor and keywords like AI tools, productivity booster, content creation, easy tutorials, and so on. Below that, you can also select your preferred language and tone like neutral, simplified, professional, and many more. Choose whatever fits your brand vibe. Once everything's set, hit the Generate Tagline button. And just like that, gives you a list of powerful taglines. Here's one it gave me. Tutor, your AI guide to smarter content creation. Pretty cool, right? You can even download this tool for desktop or mobile for easier access. It's super simple, fast, and perfect for anyone building a brand. That's it for today, Hope. This helps you craft the perfect tagline for your brand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more AI tools right here on Tutor. Thanks for watching.